transmissions. Let's start our meditation. You can be sitting comfortably, or you can be laying down to participate in the transmission, whatever is best for you. Just get yourself settled. And we'll start again with just a couple of nice deep breaths into the body. Breathe in and exhale. And as you breathe in, you'll realize you're breathing in etheric energy, energy that's part of the crystalline fabric of the earth. You're breathing this energy into your body. And as you release, you're letting go of any energy or tension in the body. So again, breathe in with air and energy. Breathe into your body and exhale. With each healing breath, you feel a little bit more relaxed in your body. You feel a beautiful healing space begins to unfold, as if you're sitting in the peacefulness of your body and the energy of your spirit. And as the energy settles, you'll see an energy or a light that begins to develop in your heart center, as if there's a light bulb turning on or shining. The energy in the heart begins to get brighter and brighter. And it just moves into the space through your physical body and goes all the way through the skin surface and into the space around your body, creating a beautiful egg-shaped sphere of light. We pause for a moment just to attune to the energy of that illumination. This is from your own soul, your own spirit. And as this is happening, you begin to feel a tingling in your feet or in the lower part of your body. And you develop a sense of connection or awareness of your connection energetically to the earth below you. You feel the crystalline grid as if you're connected and part of the crystalline grid of the planet. And this energy holds you, it's a foundation, it supports you. And as we become aware of this connection, you'll feel an energy flowing up as if it's moving up from the earth and into your body. Like water passes through soil, the energy just enters in through the physical and etheric aspect of your body. And it begins to rise and move through your physical body. And you'll feel as the energy moves through you a sense of vibration or perhaps warmth. And you just let the energy move through your body. You don't have to direct it. It knows what to do. Just let the energy do its thing. Let it move. And you'll feel it swirls up through your body and all the way out through the top of your body. And as this happens, you become aware of the higher energy centers, the crown of energy, your crown chakra. And the energy is activating these centers, and it's triggering them to kind of open and expand. You feel the crown chakra as it opens. And as it does, you'll feel a light and an energy flow down through the crown chakra and into your physical body. And you can feel your connection to a higher dimensional reality, to the world of spirit, to your higher self, your own soul. Star families, you feel this great connection to the galaxy, to the universe. And you realize you're positioned between these places. You're here on the earth and aware of a much higher spiritual reality, and you're a bridge or a point of connection between the earth and the stars. And the energy flows gently in both directions as it swirls through your physical body. And just let the energy move through your body. Let it be drawn to any part of your body that would benefit from the energy contained, the healing energy contained. Just let it move through your system. And you'll be aware the energy is moving through your etheric body that we discussed, and just let the energy move through the etheric body this way. Let the channels circulate the energy through your meridians, your chakras. The energy flows, it becomes more intense, more luminous, and you fill your physical body, your etheric body, as if they're filling up with light, and the light around you is even brighter as the light expands through the physical structure of the body. And if you just tune into your physical body at this moment, you may register a sense of vibration and energy that's present in the body that we've created together in this way. Just let yourself sit in the energy, just attune to the energy. And you may notice that there's a sense of buoyancy that develops, and it's as if you begin to float. And although you're present in your physical body, it's also as if you're floating a little higher, rising up above your body. And just let your soul's energy lift you in this way, and it draws you up in energy and in consciousness. And it brings us collectively to a room, a quantum space, if you will, where we're all together in consciousness and energy. And each one of us is sitting on a chair in a big circle. And you can feel that in this buoyant space of energy, you're even more aware of the energy in your system. There's a beautiful light, luminosity that is developed in your body, and it's shining all around you. And as we sit together, it seems to catalyze and expand the energy of everybody present. So the energy grows even stronger and even brighter. And as you attune to this energy, you can feel a beautiful coherence that develops within the group. It's as if we're all sitting in a common quantum space, peace in our heart, at peace in our mind. And you feel a really strong band of energy between your crown chakra and your heart chakra, as if there is a tube or a column of light extending between your crown and your heart. And the energy begins to spiral through the circle of the group. And above the group, we can see an energy that begins to develop like a point of light, and it descends over the group, and it forms into a pyramid. It's a translucent shell of light made of transparent energy. And the pyramid is spinning gently in a counterclockwise pattern. And the light at the top of the pyramid becomes very bright, and little waves of energy begin to pulse down over the sides of the pyramid. And the energy of the whole structure becomes more and more intense, more and more vibratory and luminous. And as the energy in the pyramid above us is enhanced in this way, it descends a light ball, like a ball of light that comes down from the pyramid into the circle in the middle of the circle. And it's a quantum energy structure. It's like an oscillating light. And as you look into the light, it's moving in many directions at the same time. And it has many colors. There's a crystalline quality to this energy. We recognize it's a quantum energy, a multi-dimensional energy. And as it's moving and spinning in this way, the intensity of energy is building, and it begins to send out little pulses of light, little waves of light. And these waves of light move into the space around the sphere and through the circle where we're sitting. You can feel this energy as it's pulsing and passing through your energy system. And we just pause for a moment to attune to the energy in this way. We can sense that each pulse of energy is enhancing our energy. There's a healing quality to the energy. And it washes through our energy, gently shifting the vibration, enhancing the vibration in our personal energy system. And this continues, little pulses of light, and they continue, they continue. And over the pyramid, a beautiful light forms. And it's a ball of starlight, a silvery white starlight with just a cast of blue. And this energy moves down over the sides of the pyramid. And it creates a donut of light that passes over the pyramid and down over us sitting in the circle, and it forms into a field of light just behind the circle. And out of this field of energy, we can see an array of light beings that develop. And it's as if there is one being for each person in the meditation, and they stand behind us as a luminous field or presence. And in this posture, they raise their right hand and place it on our right shoulder from the back, and their left hand on our left shoulder, and they're just holding our energy system. And you can feel the love, the energy radiating from this being, and the support that they're providing. And as they hold us in this way, and they support us in this way, the pulses of light from the center of the circle continue. And as each pulse of light moves, you can feel it passing through your energy system, through your etheric body, through your chakras. And just let the energy move. Just let it pulse, let it move through you. You don't have to hold on to the energy, just let it move through you. And above each person, a little field of light forms that looks like a spinning wheel of energy. It looks like a little vortex or a portal. And it's right above the crown chakra area of the body. And as the energy begins to spin, you begin to feel an energy move down through your physical body. It's as if this energy space is creating a portal or a vortex for you to receive energy from a multi-dimensional space, from a higher dimensional space. And you just let this energy move down through your body, through your crown chakra, all through your etheric body. And as we look at this energy, it has a very, very intense, deep, deep purple color, like an indigo color. But as the energy moves, it also has a violet cast, like an array of light that's mixed purple and white. And this energy is pulsing down through your crown chakra, and you begin to feel it moving within your energy system. If you sense your arms, your legs, you'll feel the vibration of this energy as it's moving down and into your etheric body. And it's flowing into the smaller and smaller energy channels or nadis within the body, allowing it to make its way to the smallest channels of energy in the body that interface with the physical cells in the body, the chakra system in the body, and the whole network of light that is your etheric body becomes filled with the luminosity of this purple, violet, white light. There's nothing to do, just allow yourself to receive the energy, receive the experience. Just breathe into your body and try to relax. If the energy feels intense, just breathe into it and try to relax more deeply. Just sink into the experience and let yourself receive this healing energy. And as the energy continues to flow through the etheric body, a second portal of light forms beneath your feet, just in the space beneath your feet. And this center has a reddish color, a beautiful luminous red. And as the energy in it begins to spin again, it creates like a vortex of energy. And as it opens, there's energy from within your body that's pulled or withdrawn from the body. It's pulled down into this vortex as if it's being brought into the earth to release the energy from your system. And then a beautiful pulse of light, a really vibrant red, rich red light begins to pulse upwards from the energy center into your body. And you can feel the vitality, the earthy connection, the crystalline luminosity of the earth that's connecting with you as you receive the transmission of light from the earth in this way. And mixed with the energy from above, the light entering through the upper portal also begins to change in quality, and it takes on an iridescent rainbow hue. There's many colors of light flowing in, mixed with the purple light. And all of this light is flowing from above and below into your body. It's as if you would ask the question how you could contain all this light. Just surrender into the experience. Just let the light work through you. It knows what to do. And you may feel in your body the intensity of the vibration as the energy works with you in this way. And the energy begins to stabilize. And the light being that's standing behind us, they bring their hands back to their side, just gently releasing the connection of energy in place to help us hold the energy of this transmission, to support us through receiving the energy of this transmission. We're going to pause for a moment just to attune to the energy of the experience. Just let the energy work with you in a personal way. And just feel the energy that's moving through your etheric body. Feel all your organs, all your tissues, your lungs, your heart, your liver, your stomach, your intestines, your skin, your bones. Just feel all the structure in your body filling with a beautiful rainbow iridescent light. Just let the energy move into your body in this way. And just allow this energy to strengthen your body. Just feel the vitality, feel the luminosity, feel the energy. Just let it work with your etheric and physical body. Touching every cell, every nucleus, every piece of DNA, every organ, every organelle. Just let the energy move everywhere. And as the energy is working to support each one of us through the etheric body and the physical body, the Syrian beings coalesce into a field of light, and they begin to lift up over the pyramid, and they form a ball of light at the top of the pyramid. As a collective of energy and consciousness. And as the energy sits in this position, we become aware that they have a message to deliver to the group. We open our minds, we open our hearts to the words of this message from the Syrian beings. Dearest beings of light, we use that word with more and more precision as we move forward in time. For your luminosity from our perspective is breathtaking. You see, dear ones, you are learning to embody light. You are learning to become a temple for the reception of higher vibrational energy and information. This is an evolution of consciousness. It is a transformation of consciousness. And it represents, in the truest nature, the ascension journey. You are beginning to understand more profoundly how the energy of ascension impacts the physical body and the world of form. For you see, as your consciousness expands and the energy contained within your system is enhanced, there is a series of what you would term upgrades or enhancements that take place to facilitate forward momentum in the process of ascension. The physical body has been anchored in your experience of this lifetime for many years. And in that period of time, there have been both elevated experiences and condensing experiences. And you may notice that within the framework of your energy and your body, certain restrictions and patterns tend to develop. To be able to incarnate more fully in the body, the time has come for an energetic acceleration to help release structured energies within the etheric system that have developed in this lifetime and at times are patterned from overlays of energy from earlier lifetimes or the soul's patterning for the purpose of your incarnation. Your etheric body is an energy body, but it is a body formed of energy that forms from the matrix of the earth. As a soul who is incarnating on the planet, you draw upon the etheric energy of the planet to build an etheric body that will be the blueprint for your individual incarnation. In the nature of the ascension and the transition at hand, the energy with which we work in this transmission is to pulse a new clarity and an empowerment through the field of etheric energy and allow you to again feel the power that rises within you from your connection to the crystalline earth. Through this connection and communication, energy can be delivered to the etheric matrix of the body to support its ongoing balance, healing, and restoration. We encourage you to take time, not only in meditation, but with nature. Allow your body to connect to the earth and the elements. Spend time walking in nature. Swim in the ocean. Walk barefoot in the field. Let your body feel the energy of the earth and your connection to the earth in a profound way. For you see, this connection, this energy, enhances the process of your etheric well-being. As you do this, become aware of the energetic support from the higher dimensional octaves that are providing a new pulse of energy and healing to support this process simultaneously. This is what we are experiencing in the transmission, but it is not limited to the transmission. The transmission is simply a catalyst or a moment of highly conscious awareness, but this process is with you all the time. Your body is truly a temple. It is a temple of the soul's light and consciousness. It will tell you what you need to know to care for it wisely, to nourish it, to exercise it. It is your greatest ally in the physical realm, and the physical health is profoundly supported by your etheric health. When you understand this mystery, you will have unlocked a key of healing. Allow the earth to sing to you through your etheric structure. Allow the universe to sing to you through your etheric structure. Let the vibrations you receive recalibrate your system today, tomorrow, every day, every tomorrow. And you'll see as you move in attunement with this universal harmony, the health you will experience in your body will be profoundly enhanced. Stay in a space of open anticipation and joy. Although the experiences through which the world is passing in this present time are heavy and full of burden, a new day is dawning. And in many ways, these experiences will provide the catalyst that will accelerate the speed of arrival of the new world at hand. Understand this. Be wise to this greater knowledge, and let it bring peace to your heart so that you may be the burning light, the glowing field of compassion, the luminous understanding that helps bring peace to your brothers and your sisters all around the planet. We tell you, you are loved beyond measure. And we remind you that you are not alone. And as we recede in energy at this moment, we depart with the constant reminder that we are always with you. You cannot be alone. And through the light of the eternal sun, burning luminously in the flame of your etheric being, together with you, we are one. And as we look upward, we see the light above the pyramid gently rising, dissolving into space. And the energy of the pyramid begins to slow in its rotation. And it too begins to dissolve as if it's melting into the ethers around it. And the energy at the center of the circle pulses like a supernova, sending a beautiful array of energy to the space around it, and you'll feel this energy move through your own personal energy system. And it spirals through your body, allowing you to receive whatever you need for healing, for peace, for support, for balance. And we find ourselves sitting in a circle, luminous in energy and intent. And our energy begins slowly to descend as if we're drifting down, and you feel your energy begin to return to your physical body. carrying a new frequency, a new luminosity as it settles into your physical form, holding the energy of this experience in your etheric body, in your physical body. And we'll pause at this moment, allowing each person just to attune to the energy of this integration. And many of you will wish to continue in meditation, and others will feel to end their meditation as we begin to prepare to close the transmission. And if you're ready to return to your body and consciousness, you can begin to feel your energy waking in your body. Just move your body gently. You can open your eyes. And if you prefer to stay in meditation, feel free to do so. And we will close the transmission. And we will stay present, just observing the conversation in the chat box as we move back into the physical world, renewed by the energy of change that has been part of the transmission. Sending love and blessings to each and every one of you. Lots of love. And we'll see you all next month.